So today we're going to talk about high school graduation requirements and college entrance requirements. In order to graduate from high school, you need to earn credits. So you earn credits when you pass classes, and if you fail a class, you don't earn the credit. So this is the way it works. If you pass a class that's a full year class, for example, math, all of your core classes, they meet for the whole year, you pass it for the year, you earn 1 credit. If it's a semester class, that's half a year, you pass it, you get half a credit. If you fail a class, and we're not talking about an F on your report card, then you get 0 credit. And then you can see how that impacts you. Because we're looking here and it says you have a total of 24 credits that are required for graduation. It sounds like a lot, but you're required to have 7 credits every year. 8 periods in a day, you can have a study hall, so 7 times 4 is 28. So you guys are going to have 28 credits or more if you don't have any study halls. So 24 credits is not a lot of credits. It's not hard to get. Just don't fail classes. So you need 4 credits of English to graduate. These are graduation requirements. So what that means is, let's say you have 26 credits when you're a senior, but you only have 3 credits of English. Do you get a diploma? No, because you need 4 credits of English. That means 4 years. All 4 years that you're in high school, you have to take English and you have to pass English. Not just take it, but pass it. What happens if you fail English in 9th grade? Well, in 10th grade, you're going to have to take English 9 and English 10. So 2 hours of English every day, and you have to pass them. So again, don't fail classes. It's not pretty if you fail classes. You need 3 credits of math to graduate, 3 credits of science, 3 credits of social studies. All right, 1.5 credits of Phy-Ed. That means Phy-Ed in the high school is every day for a semester, just like it is this year. So you'll have a semester in 9th grade, 10th grade, and 11th grade. You can take extra Phy-Ed if you like it and want to take it in grade 12 as well. You can, but you don't have to. Your credit in health, your half credit, you're earning now. So again, don't fail health in 8th grade, because if you do, then you have to take it in 9th grade because it's a graduation requirement. Your computer studies is actually called digital literacy. It's the name of the class. It's required for graduation. You can take it any time in high school. It's a 1-semester class. And then 8.5 credits of electives. Electives are any other class that you take. So whether it's another Phy-Ed class or an agri-science or business or FACE class or tech ed or music, foreign language, or an extra class of math or an extra class of science or social studies. That's all electives, anything else. And then you do have to pass the Wisconsin State Civics exam as well. Okay, that's to get a diploma. That's to get out of Waupaca High School with a diploma. So what if you want to go on to college? Okay, depends on what kind of college you want to go to. 2-year college or 4-year college, right? English, 4 and 4. It's 4 to graduate, 4 to go on to a 2-year, 4 to go on to a 4-year. It's the same, all right? Math, 3 credits to graduate, remember, 3 credits to get into a 2-year, 4 are recommended to go to college, to a university or a 4-year college. Why is that? You're going to have to take math in college. And imagine taking an entire year off of math. Imagine that for a minute. Do you forget stuff over the summer? Yep, you do when it comes to math. And now imagine you've not had math over the summer. You've not had it for your entire senior year, the summer after, and now you're going to go to college, and you're going to take a placement test, by the way, to see where you should be placed in math, you're going to bomb that test and you're not going to do well. If you test too low, then you have to take this remedial math that you have to pay for and take time to take, but it doesn't count before you can get up to speed to take the math that you need to take. So if you're planning on college, a 4-year college, you should take 4. Science and social studies. So you need 3 credits to graduate, 3 credits to get into a 2 or 4 year. And I have 3 or 4, and it depends on what you want to do, what kind of job you want to have. If you want to go into the medical field, do you think maybe a lot of science would be pretty important? Same with if you want to go into the science field, like engineering or something, then 4 credits of science would make sense. Same with social studies. If you're going into some political field, or if you're going into counseling or social work or humanities of some kind, then 4 credits of social studies would be a good idea. Notice there is no requirement to graduate back here for foreign language. You don't need Spanish or German to graduate from high school. What if you want to go to college? Well, if you go into a 2-year, no, you don't need foreign language. If you're going to a 4-year university, some colleges require you to have 2 years of the same language. And what you took in 6th grade doesn't count. That was just a very brief introduction. So going on 7th and 8th grade combined count as 1 year of a foreign language, because in high school you take it every day. Right? So if you think you might be going to a 4-year college, if you have an idea of where you might want to go, which you really shouldn't at this point, but you could look it up, or you could just say, you know what, I want to keep all of my options open and go for the 2 credits of a foreign language. Now I want to comment on foreign language here. If you like it and if you're good at it and you want to continue and you take it all the way through high school, you could get up through Spanish 5 or German 5 if you started in 7th grade. If you didn't start in 7th grade, that's okay. You could still get through Spanish 4 or German 4, and you could earn college credit, like a bunch of free college credit. That saves you time in college, it saves you money in college, and it makes you more employable because you have another language. So that's something to think about if you like it and you're good at it. And then these additional college prep classes, that's if you're going to go to a university or 4-year college, you need 4 more credits, which means more math, English, science, social studies, or music, or art, or computers. There's a variety of classes that you can get there. Most of the time, it's not a problem getting those, just based on what you're planning on taking.